What is up everyone? I'm back with another episode of Edit Shop, where I edit your photos into something out of the ordinary. In this video, I'll be editing my brother, Miles, and turn him into this character. Ambot asa siya gikat na ni na character pero mao man iyang request, so let's do it. Para medyo cosplay ang vibe, we first had a photo shoot, bahalag init kaayo, and we had a number of shots in different poses. Pero kanay lang ako napili kay mao man ako na-envision. And though iyang nong diri kay kulang pa jug workshop, sagdi na lang. It's time to edit. In a new project, I just dragged the photo diri after removing the background. Then of course, we'll be using this photo as reference all throughout the editing process. I'll change the color of the shirt first kay army green man ang color sa sanina, dili man blue. So to color this, I'll just use the hue saturation adjustment layer and choose the color close to our reference. Just tap on colorize so everything will be recolored. Then invert the mask layer to turn it to black. Now using a white colored brush, we just need to brush the areas that needed the recolor. Then the areas that overlapped, just brush it back with black. Then let's remove this print because we clearly don't need it. Dahil kay gati na nga man ta diring dapita, wala na nako na record ang paghimuan niyang headpiece. So let's just move on. Now let's add this katana over here so it would look like he's holding it, and also this sai. I don't know how someone would use these two weapons together, but para lang na siya gigunitan. Dawatan na lang na siya. Now let's try to make his legs more anime-ish. I don't know, I really don't know the term, so please don't come for me. Let's put this cast and just try to conform it to his legs. Why do ninjas have bandages all over their body anyway? And then let's recolor this one to white. Moving on, let's add some ninja sandals. Using the puppet warp tool, let's try to bend this to make it look like he's really wearing it. Yes, I live in the Philippines. Then, I really don't want to put another cast on this leg, so I searched for a scorpion tattoo because I think it would look really cool. And the scorpion can also be spirit guide, right? I don't know. I'm just following my guts here. I have really no idea how this is gonna end. Now I just realized that there should be a bandage on his neck, but I really don't dig it, and we also need to fix his facial expression because it's not that convincing. So I came up with this idea to cover his face. It should also be a reminder to wear a mask. Yeah, wear your mask. I'll just fix the mask with some liquify and then we're done with the details. It's time to add some final touches, so let's get the speed art running.